Om Akratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasam Praktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenaksharasamhamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vadaruchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Pauninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The last class we stopped with this Shabda Luni, which I gave as homework. Did you go through this Luni?
Yes, Chief.
The three homework, I think.
Yeah, 3 words in the afternoon class we went through.
Okay, so
Aruti ji is there.
yeah, Ikaranta Shabda Luni. The last class you asked me this, how to do this, didn't I?
Yes, dear. After you have done in the thing, PDF, we saw that. So,
One sutra number is doubtful for us. 8 to 44.
Okay, we'll go through this now. You can tell me, yeah. So Luni is Tanta Pratyanta Shabda, Nishta Pratyanta Shabda. Lunj, Chetane, Naintagana Dhatu, Lunati, Lunitaha, Lunanti. So, therefore, Chinnam Atmanaha Ichati. So, Luni is not directly Lunj plus Ta Pratyaya. It is a Nama Dhatu. Dhatu derived from a Pradipadikam. So, Luni. So, Atmanaha Ichati. Ichati wants, he desires for oneself. Something which one wants for oneself. That what he wants, to that what happens? The Namadhatu, the Pratyaya will be added. Now, Chinnam Atmaha Ichati. Chinnam is Chididhatu. Chinnam also same meaning. Chidar. That is also same meaning. Chinnam, Chinnaha Iva Acharati. Atmanaha Ichati, the Vigraha Vakya can be desires for himself or Chinnaha Iva Acharati. Acharanam or Ichati. Atmanaha Ichati. In this meaning, it can be, the Vigraha Vakya can be given. So chinnam or lunam atmanaha ichati or lunaha iva acharati iti lunihi. Who wants things chopped for himself, or one who acts like broken person. So the loon plus ta pratyaya is luna. This lu will become rasva in tinganta when followed by that lvadibhyah. Lu will become short when you decline in the lakara. Lunati lunitaha. But here nishta pratyaya, therefore nothing happens. Lu will be lu only. And by 8 to 44, yeah, this is a sutra. Lvadibhyah. Okay, 8 to 44 we can see. This is one of the sutra in the 8-2 section, where the changes happening to the Nishta Pratyayas are given, like Shush, Pak, Pachdatu, etc. Then Radabhyam, Nishtato, Nonaha. It's a long list in the 8-2 section. Starting from 8 to 42 onwards up to 61, it changes. That means change happening to Nishta Pratyaya, Nishta Takara is the Adesha Nakara takes place. So 8 to 44. Lvadibhyaha, here Lu Adibhyaha, Lu etc. The Lu referring to the ninth Gana Dhatu. The Lu here referring to the ninth Gana Dhatu. In the Dhatu Patha, you will see, I'll show you. Dhatu Patha, you can see this is Dhatu Patha. If you go to the ninth Gana, in the beginning itself, you will see the list of Dhatu. Yeah, Kriyadi Gana, ninth Gana Dhatu. The Gana beginning is Kri Dhatu. Here, Ata Lvadayaha, Loon, Chedane. That is which Chinnam Atmanaha Ichati we gave. Chedane to cut. Lvadayaha, Rasvaha, what Sutram is. By that only, Lunati, Lunitaha, Lunanti, Katlakara Rup. Can see mark footnote. Vadinam Rasvaha. Okay. Vadinam is 7380. So Vadinam referring to Punj Pavane. From here onwards, it becomes Rasva. Vadinam Rasvaha. Chiti Pratyaya Pare. That is why in that Lakara, ninth Karna Pratyaya is Shna. Therefore, Chiti Pratyaya Pare. Vadinam Rasvaha Bhavati Lunati Lunitaha. Then 8 to 44, Iti Sutrena, Nishtanatum Syat, Vadibhyaha. 8 to 44. 8 to 44, Vadibhyaha. So, Lunj plus Ta Pratyaya, Nishta Takarasya, Nakaraha Adesha Bhavati. You can see. Lunchedana iti etat pravrti, Branjvarana iti yavat, Vritkarani samapita, Lvadibhyaha vigyante. Okay. Tebhyaha uttarasya, Nishta Takarasya, Nakara Adesha Bhavati. Only that much. Yes. What is the doubt here, Kameshwari?
Sir, there actually, there no problem. Only in the Shamya, Shami
Yeah,
is there.
we will see. Okay.
That
We'll come to that. So, Nishta Takarasya, Nakara Adesha, Luna. So, Luna is of the Pratipadika. We are going to derive now that, not yet derived. This is only a Kridanta Pratipadikam is derived. Because Lunam, Chinnam, Atmanaha Ichati. Now, this Pratipadikam converted into a dhatu, Ramadhatu by Kech Pratyaya. Supa Atmana Kech. But we have been trying to memorize the sutras. Okay, you know. The Kech Pratyaya is added. Now the whole thing will become a dhatu. Therefore, our sutra, Supo Dhatu Pratipadikayo. Within a Pratipadikam, within a dhatu. So this is an example for within a dhatu. Because what you get is a dhatu. Sanadyantaha dhatavaha, by that, you get a sanya, dhatu sanya. Ati deshika dhatu. These are derived dhatu, like Nijanta dhatus. So therefore, dhatoho, sup lopaha, look bhavati. Supo dhatu pratipadikyoho, look. Therefore, luna plus ketch. Content of ketch is, yeah. So this is, yeah. Now kechicha, that's a sutram. Langakarya, what happens is akara sistani ikaraha adeshaha, sarut. Therefore, luniya. So luniya is a new dhatu. This is a nama dhatu. Luniyati, luniyataha, luniyanti. You can say lat lakara, any lakara. Even future tense also. Lit lakara also. Even sananta also possible. Sananta will be interesting. This is aladi. So first one will get duplication. You get luluniya, something like that. Yes, of course, yes. Luluniyati. And this is luluniyati. And we have seen for namadhatu, there's a choice. You can do any way you like. Luluniyati or lu niniya. So like that we can do. In the last class we saw. Anyway, let us not go there. So this is in dhatu. So now the entaha dhataha. Convert this dhatu into pratipadikam. Because we are going to derive the shabda. Luni shabda. So the luni now, the pratipadikam, what we have is the derived from the dhatu, luniya, nama dhatu, luniya. This dhatu can be converted into pratipadikam, kvip pratyaya. This kvip is different. I mean, there is one, the nama dhatu, we have one kvip, that is like a ketch. So those who study didn't know what is that ketch is. Like ketch, one more kvip is there, that also converts a pratipadikam, a dhatu. You know, a pratipadikam to a dhatu. This kvip is our kvip. So that is Kridanta, kvip converts a dhatu into a pratipadikam. And here, this is not dhatu pratyaya, therefore ato lopaha will apply luniya. And there is a, here, this thing must be noted. Lopo of your valis. It is given in the footnote, given somewhere. Lopo of your vali. Start is there, but I don't know. Okay. The last class, I think I mentioned this. Even though this is a zero suffix, lopaha vyorvali, vakara, yakara yogo, vali aladi pratyaya pare, lopaha bhavati. So this says, after the application of this only, we have to apply that vekya pratyasya, that is vakara, as can be made lopa. Then only it becomes zero suffix. Don't make it in the beginning itself. I put star mark, but the star where it is, maybe I removed it by mistake.
Previous this thing, we have seen that actually. First, we have to apply this one only. Then we have to apply Vera Pratyasya.
Yeah, maybe this when I edited, I think I would have removed it. I will show you anyway. Otherwise, I'll write it here. If you see the Sutra 6166, this doubt may come. It is already lopaha, sarva kahara lopaha. Then how can we make the akara lopaha? Doubt may come. For that, I think Tattva Bodhini or Bala Bodhini, Bala Balarama. Loku Siddhanta Kaumadi. Yes. पूर्वं लोपग्रहणं किम्? वेगे अप्रुक्त लोपात् पूर्वं वलि लोपः यथा स्यात्. Even I think the Vasu also has mentioned this. Why do we say it's this one? Why the lopa is placed first? The elision of vakara and lakara should take place prior to the elision of aprukta vakara, which is taught in the next sutra. The next sutra, vege apruktasya next sutra. The vakara, which is the pratyaya, aprukta vakara, ekal pratyaya, it's called aprukta. So that is come to next vege apruktasya. By that only, pratyasya vakarasya lopaha bhavati. So vakara and lakara. Not vakara and lakara, it's a typo here. Vakara and yakara. Okay, it's a mistake. Should take place prior to the relation of aprukta vakara taught in the next sutra. So this is that's been the Kashika, I think. Vege aprukta lopa purvam vali lopaha yata syat, because of this reason. So vakara, the vakara of the quip pratyaya, any quip or twin or whatever it is, even which also is a pratyaya there also. So wherever it is. So before you make the vakara of the pratyaya, ekal pratyaya to be lopaha, that is vega aprukta lopa purvam, vali lopaha means when valadi pratyaya follows, this vakara ekara si lopaha bhavati, that lopaha kartavya. That's what it means here. So therefore, 616, before applying 6167, which says vega aprukta si lopaha, you have to apply this lopaha vali. Otherwise, this yakara will not go. So that's why this point is mentioned in the Kashika. This is Kashika. You can note this. This is 6167 is Vege Apruktasya. 6168 is Alnyabhyam. So we know all the sutras. Vege Apruktasya. The sutra to be applied after the application of Lopaha Vyorvali. This is what Kashikakara says. Puro Lopa Granam. Why Lopa is there in the sutra before? Because otherwise, if Vyorvali Lopaha, Alnyabhyam Dirga Suti Apruktam Lopaha. Lopa always comes later. Why Lopaha? So even the placing the word, the sutra, before and after has got some significance. Vyorvali Lopaha could have been done. Why Lopo Vyorvali? That is, you make the Lopa of Yakara Vakara followed by Val. And the Val Valadi Pratyaya. Valadi Pratyaya, Pippa also Valadi Pratyaya only. Pip Pratyaya, Pakara Hit, Kakara Hit. Then V is that V also becomes Lopaha by the next sutra. But before you make it Lopaha by the next sutra, you apply this Lopaha of Vakara and Yakara. That is why Lopaha is placed first. The small thing also it is interpreted, you see. That's the beauty of the tradition here. Of each word, why Pani Maharshi had written like this. They substantiate by saying the reason for placing Lopaha first in the sutra is for the removal of Vakara, Yakara, when followed by Valadi Pratyaya. Even that Val also goes away by, like in the case of Kip Pratyaya, Vekya Pruktasya. That's the reason. So therefore, that's a note. Therefore, Valadi Pratyaya, therefore Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. After that, you can apply Vekya Pruktasya. 6160. Pruktasya. 6167. By that, Vakara also, pratyaya vakara, pratyaya kal pratyaya se lopaka bhavati. Therefore, you get luni. This is how we get luni. Now we can derive. Ikarantaha. Order linga. Linga will be common. Pullinga we are doing default. Luni shabdaha. Understand?
Yes.
So luni. Now luni is ikara here. The luni, the ikara, it's not born of, it's not because of the pratyaya, ni pratyaya, right? Not strilinga pratyaya. It is because of kech, the angakarya. Kechi pare ikara bhavati. So therefore it is not ni anta. Therefore what will happen to su? Suna lopaha bhavati. You cannot apply 6168. Therefore luni plus su, lunihi. Yata shri, shrihi. Similarly, lunihi. Niyantaha, na niyantaha taha, sulopaha na bhavati. The luni plus au. Since kvip pratyaya is added, therefore dhatuttam na jahati. So luni is a dhatu. Luni plus au. Please note here, the nakara is because of the nishta pratyaya. The nishta pratyaya, takara, which has undergone change by the sutra 8 to 44. Since 8 to 44 is in Tripadi, it comes later. So when we do the derivation of this, we will do that replacement of nishta takara by nakara later. Before that, all sapadi, that's sapada ashtadhyayi sutra we have to apply. Then we can apply replacement of nishta takara by nakara. That is why I changed nakara to takara. So don't get confused here. This takara, which has come in the original takara only, nishta pratyaya takara, that is replaced by nakara by sutra 8 to 44. We will do that application of the sutra later. But you can take for the derivation purpose to begin with, it is as takara. So luti, iti you can take now. Nothing wrong. So now luti plus au. It is ikara. Now this is a dhatu, and we know ekach or anekach. It is anekach. And asanyoga purvasya. Therefore, achishno dhatu purvam or eranekach asanyoga purvasya. Which one will apply? Eranekach. By that, yan adeshaha. So therefore, ikarasya, that is yanagastane, ikagastane, yan adeshaha bhavati, right? So therefore, ikara, now tya has come. Now, tya. After that, now the sutra applies. Now the takara, now we can replace it by nakara. So therefore, nakara comes, therefore, lunyau, that's how we get lunyau. Same way we can take everywhere. In the place of, you can take a shabda to be luti, and 8 to 44 can be applied later. That's the reason. Otherwise, what will happen if you apply 8 to 44 here itself? Nothing wrong. Here it's okay, but some other places you will have problem. Yeah, you remember one sutra we have. Ketyatyat parasya, right? The sutra is
Ketyat parasya.
yeah, that becomes problem. You won't be able to apply that. Ketyat parasya, right? That is the sutra. We have seen the sutra in the case of Pati Shabda, Saki Shabda. Remember? Sakihu, that's how you get Sakihu, Patihu. The kya is because of this Saki and Patya is Pati Shabda, Saki and Pati. So therefore, the sutra you will apply. You will not here. Not here, but you will see that in the case of Nasinga Soho, Panchami and Shashti, when followed by, right? So therefore only this 8 to 44 we apply later. We make it common for all. That's it. That's the reason. Here in Ditya Bhakti you don't see, I mean, here Pratama, Dvivachanam or other Vibhakti, there is no much effect. But 5-1 and 6-1 you will see. That is why we keep it like this. So Lunyo, then Luni plus just. So you can take for all. Luti plus us. Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. This is Anek Kaj. Asanyoga Purvasya. Therefore 6482. 6482 sutra is here Anek Kaj Asanyoga Purvasya. Yanaha Adesha Bhavati. Therefore Lunyaha iti rupam. Similarly, Luni plus Luti plus then Asanyoga Purvasya Eranekaj 6482, then Lunyam. Here also Luni plus out, same as 1-2. You get Luni out. Luni plus Shes Lunyaha, same as 1-3. Luni plus Ta Lunya 6482 and then 8 to 44. Only two sutras. Lunya you get. Luni Byam, Luni Biki, Luni plus Nye 6482 and 8 to 44. Luni Byam, Luni Byaha, Luni plus Nasi. Here you can see we take Luti, then Luti 6482 will apply. Now you have there. Okay. Ketyat Parasya will apply by that. Nasinga Soho. What happens? 61112 says 61112 says that Nas, that Akara of the Nas and Nasi will be replaced by Ukara. Right? Ukara Desha. In fact, that is Ukara which comes as Anurti for Atoro, Apudata, Pudaya, Shiksha and all.
Yes.
So this Nasi and Nasoscha, Akara replaced by Ukara. Therefore, you get Lutyaha, then you can apply Nishta, change 8 to 44. Therefore, Loon Yuhu you get. That's the reason. This is the reason we apply 8 to 44 later, taking the Shabda to be Luti. Loon Yuhu. Then Luni Byam, Luni Byaha, then Shashti Vibhakti Ekavacham, same as Panchami. Here also Loon Yuhu. Luni plus Os. Loon Yoho. 6482 and then 844. Lunyam. So main sutra is 6482 and 8 to 44. Luni plus Ni becomes Luni. Then Luni plus Os, Lunyoho. Luni plus Su, Luni Shu. Shattam happens. Then this Su, that will remain Lunihi as Eta 1-1. Lunihi, Lunyo, Lunyaha. So that's how we get the Shabda Luni. So Luni is Namada, it's derived from a Namadhatu. Lunj is a Dhatu and Luni is a Krudanta, after which Kech Pratyaya. The impact of Kech Pratyaya is not seen because Kyut Pratyaya removes the Yakara, that and Yakara, Ya of the Pratyaya, Kech Pratyaya. That is why this is little confusing. That's why in the beginning I took it wrongly. This has to be a no, I thought Lunj plus Ta Pratyaya, Luna, then I made it into a Shailinga. Shailinga then now cannot add E. Ni Pratyaya cannot be added. It becomes Luna, not Luni. Okay, so this is the Rupa. Similarly, Kshami. Yeah, the Kshami, the word, that is also so derived from Namadhatu, Kshaidhatu. There's a sutra. Nishta Pratyaya, Kshay plus Ta Pratyaya. You can see. Don't see that Kshiyo Dirgha, not that one. We have Kshayo Maha. 8253 निष्ठा प्रत्ययस्य तकारस्य स्थाने मकारः आदेश भवति क्षायः मह so क्षय धातु become क्षाय you'll see so क्षीणम आत्मनः इच्छति therefore it is namadhatu or iva acharati all these things we have already seen in namadhatu is over huh? So in that meaning we have seen acharati ichchati atmanah who wants kshinam atmanah ichchati or who acts like weak person so kshay dhatu kshaye that is dhatu kshay plus ta pratyaya nishtha pratyaya what will happen kshay is ejanta dhatu therefore adesha upadeshe ashiti remember so by that sutra aikarasya sthane akarah adesha bhavati that's all dhyayati glayati etc we know so that is first thing you have to do ksha then nishtha takara is replaced by makara by the sutra kshayah maha so kshama is a sakradanta now this is converted into a namadhatu by kesh pratyaya kshinam atmanah ichchati supatmana kesh by that sutra kesh pratyaya is added so therefore kshama plus supodhatu pratipadikyoho look bhavati then look lopam krutva then kechicha by that sutra kshamiya you get kshamiya is a new dhatu yata luniya tadvat kshamiya okay then kshamiya plus kip now we convert this dhatu into a pratipadikam by adding krit pratyaya kip pratyaya the same steps atalopaha will apply by the dekara lopaha then lopaha vyorvali yakarasyapi lopaha therefore kshami now kshami is ikarantaha pullinga kshami shabdaha you can here also we will apply the sutra 8253 later now kshami is it's not a niyanta therefore su will remain kshamihi kshami for the beginning we'll take it to be takara then we can replace it by makara shati you can take shati plus au then this is also anekaj and ikara preceded by asanyoga purvaha therefore iranekaj asanyoga purvasya sutrena yanaha adesha bhavati yanadesha bhavati so therefore takara then we can apply 8244 shamyo shatyo shamyo similarly kshami plus jas
Excuse me, sir. So
yes
here only we had doubt. 8244 or 8253?
that's okay not doubt it's a mistake copy paste problem 8253 not there's no connection with 8244 sutra is
53.
8253 Chayo maha yeah so everywhere you have to make this change okay similarly kshati kshatyo kshatyah kshamyah can apply this later 8253 kshamya kshami plus kshamyam kshami plus out
That sutra, what is that 8253 sutra?
8250 sutra
Sutra.
kshayo maha 8253 kshayo maha ksha is kshay dhatu क्षय धातोः उत्तरस्य निष्ठा तकारस्य मकारः आदेशः भवति simple so Tavatu pratyarupam Kshatavan Kshamavan. It is Kshamavan. Nothing is there to explain the sutra, therefore I didn't write this here. Just note that. Then Kshami plus out. Kshatyau Kshamyau. So here also 53. Then Kshami plus Shas. Here also Kshamyaha. Then Kshami plus Ta. Kshamya. Kshatya and then Kshamya. Then Kshami Byam, Kshami Bihi. Then Kshamye, Kshami Byam, Kshami Byaha. Panchami. Here we have to apply Kyatyat Parasya. Therefore, Kshati will read in Shati, then by 61112, Kyatyat Parasya, missing a soho, Ut Adesho, the Akarasya Stani, Ut Adesha. Therefore, Kshami. Then after that, you can apply this 853 by that Takara, Nishta Takara Sistani, Makara Adesha, Kshami. So this is the only thing you need to remember. Otherwise, it is simple. The derivation part is not important, but since you know, that's why I give the Namadhatu. Kshami Byam, Kshami Byaha. They are also same as 5-1. Shamyoho. Shamyam. And Kshami. Shamyoho, Kshamishu. Sorry. Yes. Then Ek Kshamihi, Ek Kshamyo, Ek Kshamya. Same as Pratama Bhakti. That's it. So Ikaranta, Pullinga, Kshami, Shabdaha. So Pullinga, Strilinga will be same. Napumsakalinga, of course, change will be there. In fact, Napumsakalinga we have not seen. We'll see. Even Samanya Shabda. Now, next one is Prastimi. Pra is Upasarga. That's T. Steamy. So Dhatu, Styai Dhatu. Prastimam Atmanaha Ichati. Then the Styai Dhatu. The meaning of Styai Dhatu. Which is the Gana. I have not written here, but I saw that. Okay. Where I write later. Styai Dhatu. Shabda Sanghata Yogo. Vadigana. Shabda Sanghata Yogo. It is the Vadigana, and the Shabda also it is there. I think it is there in the website. Prastimam, Prastimi, Ikaranta Pullinga, Prastimam, Atmanaha Ichati. Okay, but nothing appears here. Okay, anyway. So, it's okay, but we will derive the forms. So, pra plus Styai Dhatu. Ta pratyaya. This is agent Dhatu. Play Upadesha Adesha Chiti Ashiti. Therefore, Akara Adesha. Stya. Now here, this dhatu by 6.1.13 will undergo Samprasarana. 6.1 section, there we have Samprasarana sutras. Starting from that 6.1 Vachisvapi Ajadinam Kiti. So you can see the section, 6.1 section. In the Sananda Prakaranam, we have been seeing Eka Chodri Prathamasya, all the sutras, all many in sutra in this section also we have seen. Now you see 6115, Vachiswapya Jadi Nam Kiti. That Vach Dhatu, Swabdhatu, and Ejadi is a subgroup in Vadigana, Kiti Pratyaya Pare Samprasaranam. Similarly, Gragi Jya, Vagi Vyati, Vyashti, Vichati, Vrishchati, Prichati, Brajati Nam, Giti Pratyaya Pare Samprasaranam Bhavati. Now, this is by the Sutra 6113. 6113 is 6113 or 6113. Huh?
123 no, Shraddha.
61?
23
Yeah,
Styaha.
so, mistake I did. Yeah. It's a
There.
mistake. Yeah, Stya Prapurvasya. That is the one. Yeah, I think typo. 6123. Yeah, should change it. 6123. Very particularly given. Prapurvaka, Styaidatoho, and Samprasaranam going as Anuvritti. Samprasaranam from 6113 up to 31. So therefore, Prapurvaka Styaha is Styaidatu. So here we have Prapurvaka Stay only. So it undergoes Samprasaranam. You can see it is 6123 Styaha Prapurvasya website 6123. Kashika Nishtayamiti Vartate Samprasaranamiti Cha Spi Etyare. Okay. Styai. That becomes Styai. Shabda Sangata Yogo. To make sound. Sangata. Just like Sangata. Dayoho api etayoho dhatoho Styam rupam apannayoho. When stay becomes stya, then samanya. Okay. Apannayoho samanya. Both will become stya only. That's why given. Iti stya iti etasya purvasya prapurvasya dhatoho nishtayam parataha samprasaranam bhavati. The nishta pratyaya follows. Stya will undergo samprasaranam. Why stya? Because adesha upadesha shiti. Stya will become stya. Then we apply samprasaranam. Therefore, samprasaranam applicable for reversal of yan. So here, yakara is replace it by yakara will be replaced by corresponding letter. Sorry, eco energy reversal of samprasaranam. Therefore, here prastyai. So it is yakara plus a. Okay, I will add one more step. It is yakara is the n letter. By applying 6123, this yakara will be replaced by corresponding letter. It is yanadesha bhavati. 1 minute. Stay and stay when preceded by pra, change it to semi vowel to a vowel when followed by nishta pratyaya. So stay and stay both assume the form stya and are included here. For pra plus stya plus nishta pratyaya by 642. Okay, 642 is Angasya Ali. The sutra is applied. The sutra, I forgot to write it here. I'll show you the sutra. Here, one more step is that Ikyanaga Samprasaranam by 6123 Stayaha Prapurvasya. Stayaha Prapurvasya. By that Samprasaranam happens, Yakara is replaced by Ikara. Then we have one more step. By that is the 6-4 section, Angasya. After that, Hali, one Sutram is there. Okay, let us see. Angadikara. Halaha, not Ali, Halaha. Angasya, then Halaha. And Samprasaranam coming as Anuvrutti from the previous, last sutra of the previous chapter, previous section. Samprasaranasya goes as Anuvrutti up to 642 Halaha. 641, we know it is an important Adhikara, Angasya, Angadhikara, starting from here up to 674. Next sutra is Halaha. So, Samprasaranasya Halaha. And this is under the section Dralope Purvasya Dirganaha, we know 63111. This is a Dirgadhikara. Dirgatam happens. Therefore, Dirgaha also coming as Anuvrutti. This is a section where Dirgatam happens. So, Samprasaranasya Alaha Dirgaha Bhavati. Samprasarana will undergo Dirgatam. When Alaha Uttarasya Samprasaranasya Dirgaha Bhavati. So, Alaha Uttarasya Angasya Abhayavat Halaha Yetu Uttaram Samprasanam Tadantasya Angasya Dirgaha Bhavati. So Samprasanam, we know the process is called Samprasaranam and Adesha is also called Samprasaranam. So the Samprasaranam which follows a hal, the Samprasaranam which follows a hal will get Dirgha Adesha. This is what the Sutra says. Alaha Samprasaranasya Dirgattam Bhavati. Samprasaranam which follows the hal. Here Takara is the hal. So the Ikara which is a Samprasaranam follows Tasya Dirgha Adesha Bhavati. That is how you get Dirgha Adesha. Otherwise you will have Asva. Therefore, Alaha, the Sutra in 642. Okay. So Ikara replaced by Ikara. Then, you know, E is Samprasanam. Replacement is called Samprasanam as well as the process. Therefore, this E is Samprasanam. Ikyanaha Samprasanam by the Sutra. And followed by Ach, therefore Samprasarana Acha 61108. This is the Sutra. So E plus A is equal to E only. Therefore, finally we get Prastita. That's how we get Prastita. Then we apply the Sutra, which is in the Nishta Pratyaya. Again, you have to go to the Nishta Pratyaya where we have to see the changes happening to the Takara of the Prastita. Nishta Pratyaya, there is 82 section. Where is there? There we have a choice. Next Sutra you see. Prastyaha Anyatarasyam 8254, which says the Takara of Prapurvaka Staidatoho, that the Nishta Pratyaya is there. The Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya of this, now which follows the Prapurvaka Staidatu, will be optionally replaced by Makara. So 82, 50, 54. Let us see.
8 to 54.
54, yeah. 53 is already still 54. So प्रपूर्वक स्त्यै धातु अन्यतरस्यां विकल्पेन निष्ठा तकारस्य मकारादेशो भवति। सीकाशिका प्रपूर्वात् स्त्यायतेः उत्तरस्य निष्ठा तकारस्य अन्यतरस्यां विकल्पेन। Therefore, prastimah is also okay. Prastitah also. Now we are reading prastimi. Therefore, coming back here, applying 8 to 54. Okay. 8 to 54. Nishta takarasya sthane makaraha adesha prastima. Now what is prastima? It's the nishta pratyanta rupam of the dhatu, stay dhatu, prapurvaka stay dhatu, right? We are not yet deriving the pratipadikam. This is just a, nishta pratyaya form. Now this should be converted into, okay. This should be converted into prastima, you get. Therefore, prastimam. Prastimam atmanah icchati iti kech pratyaya. So atmanah icchati or acharati. Atmanah icchati or acharati iva. Kech pratyaya can be added. So therefore, supodhatu, then kech pratyaya, supatmana kech, then supodhatu pratipadika goes away. Prastima plus ya. Then kechi pratyaya pade angasya ikara adesha, but therefore prastimiya. Prastimiya is a dhatu now. Anadyantaha dhataha is a new dhatu. So prastimiya. Now this dhatu can be converted to pratipadikam by kridanta pratyaya, pip pratyaya. So prastimiya plus pip. Then this akara lopaha, atolopaha will apply. Then vyop lopaha vyorvali. By that prastimi you get. This is how you get finally prastimi. Understand? So
Yes, Ji.
this is the form how we get the pratipadikam. This is the only interesting thing. Otherwise, there is nothing interesting in this. How you get prastimi? So luni kshami prastimi. This is an interesting thing. Otherwise, the declension is same as only the Ketyat Parasya will apply. So the form will be similar to the Saki Shabda, Sakyuhu, or Pati Shabda, Patihu. Okay. Then Prastimi plus Su. This is not a Giyanta, therefore Prastimi hi. So here also that 8 to 54, right? That will apply later. So you can take the place of Makara, Takara being the Prastiti. So Prastiti plus how? This is this is a Dhatutvam Najagati, the Kibanta, and it is Asanyoga Purvasya, therefore 6482 will apply. Makara, the Ivarna is preceded by Makara, it's not a conjunct, therefore Iraneka Asanyoga Purvasya will apply. And after that, we can apply 8 to 44 by that. Again, you get back the Makara, therefore Prastim Yav. Prastityo, Prastim Yav. You can directly also do Prastim Yav, provided if you understand this 8 to 54 is applied. Then Prastimi plus just.
Excuse me, Ji. Here actually Anyatarasyam Vibhasha is there, no?
Yeah.
So should we write the optional form also or not required, sir?
We can write. So here, that Shabda we are not deriving. It's out of scope here.
Oh, okay.
So here Nishta Takarasya Makaraha Adesha Bhavati Vikalpena. Otherwise, what will happen? Prastita.
Prastita.
Prastita, let it be Prastita. Then Prastita plus, yeah, Prastiti you will get. You will get Prastiti.
Okay. but no need to write here, no? In the,
Prastiti, we are doing declaration of Prastimi. That is why that I have not taken. Otherwise, you can do Prastiti. Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Prastiti, Shabdaha. How we get Prastiti is the same. Sutra 8 to 54. Right?
okay.
If you want, you can write. That's it. Prastiti also, it's okay.
Okay, Shabda Rupani only interested. So,
Shabdarupa is Prastimi, that's why I'm taking that.
okay, Ji.
Form is same only. Prastitiya, then Prastitiya plus Prastiti. Ekarlopa plus finally you get Prastiti.
Okay.
Okay. So Prastiti means it's no problem. So therefore, it is Nishtata, it's optional, right?
Oh,
So the color remains as it is. So 8 to 54. Whether you applied or not, it doesn't look out at all. So Prastityav you will get. Prastitihi, Prastityav, Prastityaha. Prastityam, Prastityam, yeah. Prastityam, Prastityav, Prastityaha. Like that you get.
yes, Ji.
But we are going by the Pratipadikam, what we have studied at the beginning. Prastimi. So 8 to 54. Then Prastimi plus Shas, Prastimyaha. Prastimi plus Ta, Prastimya or Prastitya. Prastimibhyam or Prastitibhyam. Okay. Because he asked, let me within bracket I will write Prastiti. Here the form is same, therefore it could be Prastiti also. That form also you can take. So Prastima is Vikalpena, right? 8 to 54 is Vikalpena. Therefore you get Prastita. I'm not doing that all this thing here. Just here, finally I'm writing here. Here,
Okay.
Prastiti. This is optional. Within bracket. Vikalpa Rupam. The same process happens, Vikalpa Rupam. Right?
Yes, Ji.
So Prastiti, if you take Prastita plus then Prastitiya you get Prastitiya. Okay, Prastitiya. Then you keep Pratyaya Prastiti you get. I will do one thing. I will write the Vikalpa Rupam here so that Prastitiya. This is Vikalpa Rupam. You need to remember this is Vikalpa Rupam. Then here we get Prastiti. Prastitiya iti Vikalpa Rupam. So everywhere we have to write this is Prastitihi. Prastityav.
Yo.
Prastityav. Prastityaha. Prastityam. Prastityav. Prastityaha. Prastitya. Prastitibhyam. Prastitibhihi. Prastit. Yeah.
The 8244 also we have to change.
Oh, yeah, change it. Okay. Number is 8250. 54. Okay. Prastitibhyam. Prastitibhyah. Yeah, the form would be
Prastitihu.
Prastitibhyah. Prastitibhyam. Prastitibhyah. Prastitibhyah. Prastityoho. Prastityam. Prastiti. Then Prastityoho. 8254. Prastitishu. Yadrupam Prastitihi. Prastityo. Prastityah. Yes. So Ikarantaha Pullingaha Prastimi Shabdaha. Okay. So Rupa, the other form I have not written. That is
There Prastibhyam, na Prastimibhyam should be there.
yeah,
One.
where it is Makara missing. Yes. Prastimi Bhyam. Prastimi first. Okay. Prastimi Shu. Yes. Then Kroshtu Shabda. Kroshtu Shabda did we see? I think we did not last class.
Yes, dear.
Trijvat Kroshtu. I think we went back. After that, I think up to Sudhyo Shabda we did. Right? Last Shabda was Sudhya, then we went back and we saw this. So this Shabdas are before. Okay. Then Sudhyo. Last one was Sudhyo. After Sudhyo, we have to see. Last class, Subhu, Drinbu, Karabu, Punarbu, all those Shabdas we have seen. Nabu, Sudhyoho by the Sutra. What happens? Nabu Sudhyoho, that Sutra is applied, right? Nabu Sudhyoho by that. What happens is Yanaha. But the Vartikam it is applied. Yanaha, which is Nisheda, but again Vartikam comes. When Vartikam was there, which ordains Yanaha, Yanadesha for all. Therefore, Vartikam 26484. By that, Ukara, again Yanadesha comes. The Vartikam is, we have seen the Vartikam. And then the Vartikam mentions all the Shabdas. This is the one. Drin Karaf Punaha Purvasya Bhuvaha Yan Bhaktavyaha. This is the next. Therefore, this also can be, this Vartikam can be, you can understand along with this Swayambhu. Na Bhu Suddyoho, that negates the Yanadesha for Uvarnanta Dhatu, Ogosupi, right?
Yeah.
Ogosupi is negated by Na Bhu Suddyoho. But there is one more sutra, not Swayambhu, sorry, Varshabhu. Varshabhascha, that sutra,
Yeah.
even though it is Bhu, but Varshabhascha ordains Yanadesha. So if you see 6.4 section, yeah, 6.4.
6484.
6.484, yeah. 6.4. Ogosupi is negated by Nabu Suddyoho for Bu Ukaranta and Sudhi Karanta. So Sudhi for Eraneka Sanyogasya and Bu for Ogosupi. So both 6482 and 6483. Both are negated for Bu means Bu Shabda as well as Bu
Sudhi.
Shabdanta. Bu Shabdanta Shabda. Like Swayambhu, etc. Similarly, Sudhi also. Sudhi is Ikaranta, therefore that's a negation for Yeraneka Chasanyo Purvasya and Bu for Ogosupi. So it says Yanadesha Nabhavati for these two. Bu Shabdanta as well as Sudhi Shabda for Sudhi Shabda. But Varshabhascha ordains Ogosupi, exception to the exception. So there we can add these three Shabdas also. These three Shabda also. Drin Kara Punaha Purvasya Bhuvaha. This is also Bu Anta Shabda, but Yanaha, Yanadeshaha Vaktavyaha, Yata Varshabhu Tadvat. So the sutra only Varshabhascha is, but we can add these three more words. That is what the Vartika does. Varshabhu, then we can write here itself these three words. Drinbu, Karabu, Punarbu. For that also Yanadesha will come, exception to the exception. So this we have seen the last class, right? So this, then Suddyo, I think that we did, Okaranta Shabda. After that, some more Shabdas have done, we will see that.
Sir,
Janav,
one this typo is there.
Where?
Punar Bhumihi should be there. We have written Karabhumihi. That one we can correct. Right?
Punarbu, which Pratipadik, I mean, which Vibhakti?
Exactly there only. Karabhumi. Only in the form we have that Shabda Rupani form we are table is there, no? There only we have to.
Punarbu table.
Here Karabhumihi is there. So here Punarbhumi we have to write.
Punarbubihi. Bubihi, not Bhumi, huh?
Sorry.
Bhumi means I thought, okay, that's Bhumi. Bubi, okay, yeah.
Sorry.
Then Janav Shabda we did, right? Janav, Jana Navati iti. Have we done Janav? Not it. I think we have done Jana. Jana Shabda.
We did.
Yeah, Jana and then one lettered Shabda. That's through, I mean, move, all those things we did in the last class.
After Janu, we did Repanta Shabda.
Yeah, that's all this one lettered Shabda, right? That move and all.
This we didn't do, I think.
Didn't do? Really? Okay. So, I think we have done.
Janav we did, sir.
Janav we did.
We
But
did.
after Jana.
Yesterday I was listening to your class. Jur Shabda, we
Jur
did
to also
Repanta
did.
Shabda.
We did no Jew.
I listened to the recording yesterday night.
I also remember we did.
Then two
Rev-
Shabda, we did.
Okay. Please see,
We
I think
will revise that.
we have done Jur, right?
Yeah, we have done Shataji.
Jur, Repada Shabda Jur. Jur from the Jvar Dhatu. So what will happen here? Important thing is Ut,
Agama.
right? Because of Ut only what you get Jur. Once you get Jur, you can do what will happen? Jur. Juhu, then Jurau, Juraha, Juram, Jurau, Juraha, Jura, Jurbyam, Jurbihi. Simple it is.
Yeah,
Only
very
thing is
simple.
you have to apply the Sutra 6, that Jvara Tvara, Sutra 6420. 6420 is the Sutra we have seen, you remember?
Yes, Jay.
6420, not 6420, 6419, I think. In the, that Omkara, how the word Omkara is derived. Om. You remember? Okay.
6/20 only we have written actually.
No, 6420, okay, but for the derivation, how the word Om comes, that we saw this. The Sutra we applied.
Avati,
Avati Rakshati
Avati,
Om.
something.
You remember how the word Om is derived? Okay. If you remember, it is fine. Otherwise, I'll show you. That we apply the Sutra 6/20. You see. Okay, I'll show you. Application of 6/20. Utpatti of Om. Om is derived from the Dhatu of Avati. So it's a long one. I mean, many meanings are there. Rakshana you take. Avati Rakshati. We had the Manin Pratyaya. Manin is a Unadi Pratyaya. Akara is it, and Ikara also. Its content is Man. And there is a Unadi Sutra Avatehe T Lopaha Bhavati. That is following the Avati Avadhatu, the Pratyaya will get T Lopaha, but not the not the Anga. So what is the Pratyaya here? T letter is in. Sorry, Man, An, right? An will go away. Therefore, Av plus Av. Now, what follows? Makara follows. Makara is Anunasika. Follows what? Idatu Av. So it is, now you see the Sutra 6/4/20, right?
Yes, Jay.
Thank God. Okay, now you see the Sutra 6/4/20. So Jvara, what are dhatus there? Jvar, Tvar, Sriv, then
Avi.
Avi, that what is Av, Av dhatu. Jvara, Srivi, Ava, then Mav, another dhatu is there, Mavati. This is the dhatu. What it says? When followed by Anunasika, Anunasike Parta, Ko Partaha, Anunasike Parta. When followed by Jaladikit Pratyaya or Anunasika Pratyaya, what will happen? It says, then the dhatu, the one common thing is that all the dhatu. What is that? Vakara. Vakara is present in all the dhatu, right? So
Yes.
Vakara as well as Upada of the dhatu, both. The Etesha Manganam Vakarasya Upadayascha. Vakara of the dhatu, which is there in all the 5 dhatus, Vakara, and Upada of the dhatu. Whatever is Upada. Not Upada to Vakara. Upada of the dhatu. Okay. Vakara could be the Upada, that is different. Vakara is not the Upada anyway here. Anyway, in all the dhatu, Vakara is not the Upada. Vakara of the dhatu as well as Upada of the dhatu, both will be replaced by Ut. Iti ayam adesha bharataha kau parataha anunasike jalado chantigiti. When P pratyaya follows or jaladi kiti pratyaya follows or anunasika follows, anyone. This happens. So therefore, by that, here what happens? Anunasika follows the Av. Therefore, this is Vakara, Vakara will be Vakara as well as Upada. both will be replaced by Vakara will be replaced by what Adesha? Ut Adesha.
Dad.
Karasya Upadayascha Ut. So Vakara and Upada both will be replaced by Ut. Both means Vakara will be replaced by Ut and Akara will be replaced by Ut. Okay, separately. That's what the Sutra says. In the place of Vakara as well as the Upada, because Vakara need not be the Upada for the 5 dhatus. If you take Jwar, Jwar is Repa. Repa is the Anta. And Akara is the Upada dhatu. Upada letter. That will be replaced by Ut. And Vakara is Upada to Upada. Okay. So therefore Vakara replaced by U, Utadesha, and Akara replaced by Ut. Now U plus U becomes U. Then U plus Ma. Akara is a pratyaya. Ardha dhatuka pratyaya. Unadisar ardha dhatuka. So Anga Karya will happen. U will become Sarvadhatuka, Ardha dhatuka yoha Angasya, Igantasya, Gunadeshaha. O. Therefore Om. That's why you get Om. Right? I think once I did this for you. Got
Yes.
this.
Yes, you-
Same thing here. Take all the 5 dhatus here. All the 5 dhatus. Here first we take Jwar. What is Upada? Upada is Akara and Upada is Akara and Vakara is that. Both are replaced by U. Therefore U plus U is U only. So both are replaced by U. Therefore Ju you get. That's why you get Repanda Shabda. So you can do Juhu, Repanda Shabda, Juhu, Juhu, Juraha. Simple. This is what we did. So this is the only Shabda you need to know. Sorry, this is the only Sutra you need to know. 6.420. Similarly, this we did in the last class, June. Tur also. Tur is derived from Tvar Dhatu. Upada is Akara. Upada is Akara and Vakara is that. So replace it, Akara as well as Vakara both by Ut. Utadeshaha. So both U plus U then becomes Dirgha. I have not written those. Okay. Or there can be both are replaced by U. Yeah. Both can be replaced by Y independently. Okay. I think even in the Omkara also I will correct it. Vakara as well as Upada, both are replaced because Sutra says like that. Purva Parayoho Sthane Ekaha Adesha Bhavati. Vakarasya Upadayaha iti ayam Adesha Bhavati. Okay. Yeah. Not individually, because Vasu also says there's a single substitution of Ut. This is Sutra 6.4 section. Okay. Of Ut for the Vakara and the vowel preceding the consonant. So the Omkara also I will correct it. That is, both are replaced by Ut, Ukara. Okay. So I'll remove this. This is not, then you can do, yeah. Then Sarvadhatuka, Ardhatuka Yoho, Gunaha Bhavati. The same way here also. The same way here. Upada Akara and the Vakara, which is Upada to Upada, both are replaced by U. Therefore, Tur. Or Repanda Shabda, Tuhu, Turau, Turaha, Ita Juhu. Simple. Nothing is that to decline. I mean, describe here. Nothing to teach for. Here, if at all, if it's there, then you can say the Repa is the Rirvahu Upadaya Dirgha Ikara will apply. Anyway, Upada is Dirgha only, therefore no problem. That is 8 to 76. Rirvahu Upadaya Dirgha Ikaha. You know, remember the Sutra. We have seen that in the 4th Gana, Divyati. Repa and Vakara at the end of the Dhatu, at the end of the Padam are when followed by Hal. Then what will happen? Upada, it will become Dirgaha. You remember, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm not telling that. Okay, that's applied. Because in Tripadi it is said, therefore that should be applied. Similarly, Srivdhatu, Akara as well as Upada. Upada is Ikara. Both will be replaced by U, therefore Sru you get. Sruhu. Here only You can see. Here is a good example. In the last class we saw Ukara preceded by conjunct. Therefore, you cannot apply Asanyoga Purva, Asanyoga, Eranekash Asanyoga, that is Ogo Supi cannot apply.
Ogosupi.
You have to apply Achishnu Dhatu Purva. Therefore, Uva Uvanga Desha Bhavati. So, therefore, Sruvau. Right? Suhu Sruvau. Sruvaha. Sruvam Sruvau. Sruvaha. Sruva. Srubhyam. Srubhi. Sruve. Srubhyam. Srubhyaha iti Rupani. Okay. I remember this we saw the last class. It's all this. Then
Yes, yes.
U. That is U is that is from the Avdhatu. Havati Rakshati. The O. Therefore, here both are replaced by U. In fact, this is where we started the Onkara. Onkara Manin Pratyaya. Manin Pratyaya, then Manin Pratyaya, T Lopa happens Makara. Therefore, U becomes O by the Sutra. Therefore, O plus Ma, Om. That's how you get Om. So you can remember. 420, remember? If you remember then Onkara derivation, you know it. Okay. Savati iti Uhu. See, Uhu. And Unadi Pratyaya, we get Om. So, Uhu Ishvaraha itartaha. Uhu. But all these are the Bijakshara. Uhu. Okay. Then here, Avatiti, Dhatutamna Jagati. This is Pratipadikam, Dhatutamna Jagati. And therefore, here we have to see which one will apply. When Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Uhu. Then this is Asanyoga Purvasya, but it is not Anekach, Ekach. Therefore, you cannot apply Ogosupi.
Ogosupi.
Ogosupi requires a condition of Anekach also, right? Not there. Therefore, you cannot apply. Therefore, Uhu, Uvaha, Uvam, Uvahu, Uvaha, Uvahu, Ubhyam, Ubhi, Tirupani. Okay. After that, I have written many Shabda which you have to see today. So that's why I'm not covering this because we have seen this.
Yes, yes, yes.
You have seen, no? I think I was checking my the last class video because I just want to know from where I started. Okay. I'll show you for your reference in case if you
We'll
You
go
see-
through.
Sudhyo Shabda we have seen.
Yeah, you see, this is last class. I was just before this. I was okay. So I added 1 minute. I just checked it. So from where we have to start because I also did not remember before the class. I was checking. Sruhu, all these things you see the screen. We have done in the last class.
Yes.
Mu Shabda, etc. So this is a proof. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see that in case if you. But anyway, I told now also. Then Mavdatu. Here also Mu, Muhu, Muhu. This is all same reason. It is Asanyoga, okay, but it is not Anekach, Ekach. Therefore, 6477 will apply. Muhu, Muhu, Muvaha iti. Ita Uhu Tadvat. Okay, up to this we have done. Now we will see Se Shabda. From here we have to start. Se is Ekarantaha. See some Shabdas which we are supposed to cover in Samanya, but anyway, I have written here. Samanya, not Samanya. And the Samanya could have been better, but I have included in Vishesha. It's okay. So you'll see. This all will be interesting. Say Shabda. How you get say? See, every letter has got some meaning, some Devata it denotes. A is equal to Vishnu. Right? A is equal to Vishnu. Ina saha vartate. It is sehe. How you get Ina? Ina saha vartate. Ina, that is Vishnoho apatyam puma. Son of Vishnu. A is Vishnu. Tasya apatyam pumaniti. If we do the Vigraha, this is Tadita. Then A plus inch pratyaya is added. Vishnoho apatyam. What will happen? Why in pratyaya? Because when Pratipadikam ending with Akara, in the sense of Tasya apatyam, his son or his daughter, whatever it is. Adantangat inch pratyaya bhavati. This is Tadita pratyaya. We are not seeing Tadita, but anyway, I will show you that also. Tasya Patyam, in that meaning, many pratyas are there. Depending on the anga, depending on the pratipadikam, what it ends with, we have to add the pratyaya. Here, tasya patyam asmin arte adantebhyaha, that's what important. Adantangat pratipadigat uttarasya inch pratyaha bhavati. Therefore, content is E only. Gitvat tadita, the angakarya will happen, adi virdi, etc. will happen. Okay. So now A plus E, tadita pratyaya, right? What will happen? First angakarya is SA teacher. SA teacher says, Ivarnantasya Varnanta Sangasya. When Tadita Pratyaya or Ikara follows, what will happen? Lopaha bhavati. Right? We know the sutra. We have seen this. Important sutra. Yes or no? Remember?
Yes,
SA
Guruji.
teacher. Ivarnantasya Varnanta Sangasya. When followed by Tadita Pratyaya or Ikara, what will happen? Lopaha bhavati. Right?
Yes.
So, A will become Lopaha. When A becomes Lopaha, what is left out? E. So, son of Vishnu is E. Son of Vishnu is, I think he is called Madana Kumar. I mean, Kamadev, I think, Kamadevaha.
Manmatha.
In the Purana, it is like that, okay? So, E. Then E is a Pratipadikam now. Tatidanta Pratipadikam. Kirtati Samasasya Pratipadikam. You can decline now. E plus Su. Ihi. So, Ihi, you can decline. Tritiya Bhakti will be Ina. That is what Ina I have written. Ina Saha Vartate. This is a compound, Sehe, Bhuguvriki compound. We are going to derive that. Because here Ina user, how the word E comes. For that only this information. So this is derived from the Pratipadikam A. Tasya Patyam. Son of A. A is Vishnu. Son of A is Ihi. Kamaha ityartha. Right?
Yes.
Adantebhya Angebhya Pratipadikebhya Tadita Pratyaya in is added, and therefore Yasya teacher Ikara in is a Tadita Pratyaya. So when Tadita Pratyaya follows, Angasya Ivarnanta Angasya Antyasya Varna Lopaha bhavati. Here it is Anga is in Pratipadika having one letter only. So that is the Adi, that is the Anta. Adyanta. So that becomes Lopaha. Therefore you get E only. Then Supratyaya can be added. You can decline. Like how you decline E, that Ari Shabda. Right? Ihi, Au, Yaha, like that you have to decline. Tritiya Vibhakti will be Ina. Ita Arina, Ina. Ina Saga Vartate, the one who is with the Ina. With the Kamadevaha. Who is that? That is say. So Ina Saga Vartate. This is now with the Bhuguvari compound. Ina Saga Vartate. It's a Bhuguvari compound. So Saha plus E. We are going to see this in the Samasa section. Tena Saga Saketi Tulya Yogi 2 to 28. 2 to 28 comes under Bhuguvriki. Shesho Bhuguvriki. Bhuguvriki compound we have to see. Anekamanya Padarte. Right? Anekamanya Padate. Shesha Bhuguvriki 23. 2 to 23. Then Anekamanya Padate, etc. Bhuguvriki, you see the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. It goes Anuvati up to 28. So this is by this sutra. Tena Saha iti. Along with Tulya Yoge. By that compounding is done. So Saha is Saha plus E. You can know this is the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. Tena Saha iti. In this, which is in Pratama Vibhakti. So that get Upasajana Sanya and then Puru Nipata. It's out of scope now for this class. Anyway, but we know Samasa, therefore we can discuss. Which is in Pratama Vibhakti 2 to 28. If you have doubt, please see. Because now we have the two words, Saha and E. You have to place one as a Purva. Which one will you place? That which is Upasarjanam. Which is Upasarjanam? That which is Pratama Vibhakti. Now, in the sutra, saha is avyayam. That has to be placed. You cannot place tena. That is ina. That you cannot place it because it is tritiya vibhakti. Right?
Yes.
But this is Bhagurigi compound. Bhagurigi, okay, fine. Doesn't matter, but saha should be placed first. Saha iti etat shabdarupam tulya yogi vartamanam tena iti tritiyantena saha samasyate. Right? So saha is samasyate. Therefore, saha putrena agataha saputraha iti. So saha putrena saputrena. Saha chatrena sa chatraha. Saha karmakarena sa karmakarha iti. Similarly, saha ina, then saha will come first. Purva nipata done, then E is referring to the Kamadevaha. Then by the Sagasya Sahasanyayam, this we have seen. This we have seen in some discussion in the Samasa. Saha will be replaced by Sa when it denotes a name. Aluk Uttarapade in that section. Sagasya Saha Sanyayam. By that, Saha will be replaced by Sa. Now Sa plus E, A plus E become Se. Gunasandhi. Therefore, Se is the Pratipadikam. You understand? In fact, to derive this, I had to spend a lot of time because little difficulty was there to see each word. You know, it's a bit confusing. But anyway, that's why I put it in writing, I think. You follow? Just to know, I mean, need not know more, just whatever it's given that you understand, that is enough. First is Vishnoha Apatyam Puman. By that Tadita Pratyaya, in Pratyaya is added, you get a Pratipadikam, Ihi. Then making a compound with that, Bhagavariki compound. Ina Saha Iti. So Saha Yukte Tritiya. That is why Tritiya Vibhakti also. Saha Yukte Apradane Tritiya Vibhakti Bhavati. In the Karaka section. Saha Yukte Apradane Tritiya Vibhakti. That is why Ramaha Lakshmanena Saha. And Saha is there, that will govern Tritiya Vibhakti. And that which is Apradana. Ramaha Lakshmanena Saha Vanam Gacchati. So, who is Pradana? Ramaha is Pradana. And Apradana is Lakshmana. So, Lakshmana only will take Tritiya Vibhakti. Saha Yukte Apradane. Understand?
Okay.
That which is not a Pradana will take Tritiya Vibhakti. That is Kara. It is in the Vibhakti section. Yeah. I think we saw this. Or we will see maybe. Okay, whatever it is. So, here, similarly, Ina Saha Vartate. That is why Ina is in Tritiya Vibhakti. By this, Tena Saha Iti Tulya Yoge, Bhagavariki compound is formed, by which Saha is placed first. Then Sagasya Saha Sanyayam, which is in the Aluk Uttarapada section. So there in fact, there the 6.3 section here, the Purva Pada undergoing changes are mentioned. If you remember, Mahat become Maha, that's why Mahatma, Mahancha Asavatma. Mahan is Mahat plus Su. Su goes away, Mahat only you get, Mahat Atma. Then Takara replaced by Maha, Sarud. So, Mahat becomes Maha, Saha becomes Sa, then Dvi become, Dva, etc. Those things are given in the Aluk Uttarapada section. And that section. When Uttarapada follows, this changes happening to the Purvapada. So, Saha will become Sa. So, Sa plus E after that, Guna Sandhi, Se. Now, Se is Ina Saha Vartate iti. Se. Or in another way also can be derived. That is more interesting. We can, first we took as Aha as Vishnu. Now we can take Ihi as Lakshmi. Ihi is Lakshmi. So, Taya Saha Vartate. Here also Bhagavariki only. Another way of doing Taya Saha Vartate iti. Sehe. Let's say Sehe. So, here Taya Saha Vartate. Ihi is like Lakshmi. Ihi. Okay. Ladi Shabdavat. Or Lakshmi hi, okay, why Ladi? Ladi, Lakshmi Shabdavat. Ihi, Lakshmi hi. So, Tena Saga Tulyati by the Sutra, the Bhuvri compound, Saha plus E, then Sahasya Sahasanyayam, Sa plus E becomes Se. So, directly we can derive this. Previous one, we took the Apatyam of Vishnu and then derived. But here, directly we can take Taya Saga Vartate. It is Se, referring to Vishnu then. So, whatever it is, Se Shabda, Pratipadikam is derived. Now, that is what we are going to see, the declension. Se plus Su. The Su, will it become Lopaha? No, there is no rule by which Su can be made Lopa. Alnya Byaham cannot be applied. Alnya Byaha, that is Ni and Ab. Dirgat Ni Ab. And Hal, here it is not. It is A. Therefore, Su will remain. Se He. Se plus Au. Ayadi Sandhi. Sayau. Se plus Jas. Ayadi Sandhi. Sayaha. Simple. Se He. Sayau. Sayaha. Se plus Sayam. Se plus Shas. Sayaha. Se plus A. Saya. Se plus Byam. Se Byam. Se Bihi. Se plus Nge. Just Ayadi Sandhi. No other rule applies. When Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya follows, Ayadi Sandhi applies. Saye. Se. Saye. Se. Se Byam. Se Byaha. Then Panchami and Shashti. There, Ngeng Varnat Ngasing Asoha Pratyaye. Pare. We have the rule. Akare Pare. Pura Parivastane. Pura Rupaha Ekadesha Pavati. Right? Now, A plus Eta. In Hari Shabda, what we do? Hari plus Nasi. What is the form? Panchami. Hari Shabda.
Hare.
We get Hare He. Hari undergoes Ger Giti by that. Hari undergoes Guna. Hari become Hare. Hare plus Ngas or Nasi. What happens? We apply the Sutra. What Sutra?
Nasi
110 is
Nasi
Nasi. Nasi Asoscha. By that Pura Parivastane.
Purvaru.
Pura Rupaha. That's why Hare He get. Same thing here also. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So, Eta Hari Shabda. Hari Shabda, Guna happens and then we apply Ngasing Asoscha. Here already A is.
Okay.
So, therefore, Ngasing Asoscha directly we can apply. Pura Parivastane, Purvaha, which is A. Chapa Sehe, the Rupam. Right? Sehe, Sebhyam, Sebhyaha. 6th one also. Sehe, the Rupam, Sebhyam, Sebhyaha. Then Shashti. Vivachanam, Saptam, Vivachanam. Just Ayadi Sandhi. Se plus Os. Sai, Sayos, Sayoho. Se plus Am, Sayam. Se plus Ni, Sayi. Then Seshu. Then S is here. Su will become, because follows Engarasvat, Sambuddhehe, Lopaha, right?
Okay.
That will apply. See, as in the case of Hari only. Hari becomes Ye Hare. Hari
Hari.
becomes Rasvasya Gunaha. Then Engarasva Sambuddhehe, Lopaha Bhavati. Said that the same thing here. Say Sayo Sayaha. It is Se Shabda. Right?
Yes.
Then Smrite Shabda. This is also same, similar to same only. The derivation part is interesting. That's why this is I have added this. Smrite. Ekarantaha Pullingaha. Now E is Kamaha we saw before. E is equal to Kamaha. Kamaha, just you can take it a desire itself. You not take Kamadeva. Okay, just take it a desire. So Inasaga Vartate, as we saw before. Similarly here, E is equal to Kamaha. Kamaha Smrtaha Yena Saha. The one who remembers the Kama, the desire. That person is called Smrtehe. Or another way is Ihi, that is Lakshmi. Ihi Lakshmihi. Smrta Yena Iti. The one who remembers. Lakshmi is called Smrte. Anyway, you can take it. What compound is a Bhagubrigi? So therefore, Ihi Lakshmihi Smrta yena. Smrte, how you get this? Smrta plus E. A plus E. Smrte. I've not done. This is what it is here. Okay, I've done it here also. Okay. Smrta is Smrta. Smrta E. E plus Su. Smrta is Prathama Bhakti only. Yeah. Smrta plus Su. E plus Su. Supadatu Pratipadikya. Look. So Smrta plus E. Whether you take E or E, whatever it is, same. E is Kamaha. E is Lakshmi. Dirgha E is Lakshmi. So we get Smrte only. This is the compound. So Smrte is a compound. Bhaguriki compound. Smrta Ihi Asmrta Ihi. Yena Saha. That person is Smrtehe. Smrtehe Prathama Vibhakti. Yata Sehe Tadvat Smrtehe. Smrte plus Su. Su will remain. Su Lopahana Bhavati. No sutra lights Su. Therefore Su will remain Smrtehe. Then Ayadi Sandhi. And Panchami and Shashti, Nasinga Soscha will apply. Same as say. So Smrtehe, Smrtayau, Smrtayaha. Ayadi Sandhi followed by the other common rules we know. Smrteyam, Smrtayaha, Smrteyau, Smrtayaha, Smrte plus A will become Smrtaya. Ayadi Sandhi, Smrtaya, Smrtebhyam, Smrtebhyaha. Then Smrte plus Nas Nge, Smrtaye, Smrtebhyam, Smrtebhyaha. Panchami, Smrte plus Ngasinga Soscha by that sutra. Purva Parivastane, Purva Rupaha, Safa Smrtehe, Itarehe, Smrtehe, Smrtehe, Smrtebhyam, Smrtebhyaha, Smrtehe, Shashti Bhakti is that also Smrtehe. Then Smrte plus Os, Smrtayoho. Then Smrte plus Am, Smrtayam, Ayadi Sandhi. Then Smrte plus Ni, Smrtayi, Smrtayoho. Then Smrte plus Su, Smrteshu. Then E Smrte, Su Lopaha Bhavati, Enga Rasasambuddhehe, Lopaha Bhavati, E Smrtayau, E Smrtayaha. Okay, this is pulling.
Smrute Shabda, depending on the context, we have to take. Otherwise, it will be Smruti Shabdasya, Smrutehe, fifth and Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam also, Smrutehe will be there, no, sir?
Of what Shabda?
Smruti Shabda, if we take like Mati Shabda.
Yes,
so,
yeah. Yes, that is Mati Shabda if you take. It is Smrtaye, not if Smrtaye, Panchami if you take. It will be Smrtaye, right?
Yeah.
No, I correct only, yeah. Yes, Smriti Shabda will be like Mati Shabda, yes. Matyai, Mataye, two forms will be there. One is by Nadi Sanya, Vikalpena, other one is Gi Sanya. Smrite, Smrite, Smritibhyam, Smritibhyaha, Smrityaha, Smritehe. Yes, Smriti Shabda also we have the same form. One form is same.
Wow.
Smrityaha is one form, that is by Nadi Sanya. Like Matyaha. Matyaha by Nadi Sanya, right? Matya, Mati plus Anadyaha, that Atagama by Vriddhi happen, that's why Matyaha you get. Okay. Mati plus Nasi. Nasi is nothing but us. So Atagama, A plus A becomes A, Vriddhi, then Yansandi, Matyaha, that is one form, Nadi Sanya. Another form by Gi Sanya. Mati plus Nasi, Naspratya, that Mati will become Mate. Then Pura Paryoho, Pura Rupaha, Matehe, Matyaha Matehe. So that is Mati. Similarly, Smriti, Smrityaha Smritehe. You are correct. Smriti Shabda, one form, Smritehe is that is same here. Depending on the context, yes. Depending on the context, we have to take. That is why Kavya and all becomes difficult to understand. We have to find out what it is. But no, but of course, Tikakara commentators are there. They help us. Otherwise, difficult. With our limited knowledge, it's very difficult to find out. Okay. Yes, you are right. Smriti Shabda. So the basic is this Mati, Hari, Guru, all those things. Okay. That basic structure all these are built on that. Okay. So very important. Gisanya, Nadisanya, all these things you need to remember. In fact, it's going to come further. So Smrite is done. Understand, right, Smrite?
Yes.
All of you. Any doubts?
Sharaji. Understood.
Understood.
Then Smrto also it is there. You see, Smrto. Here, see, every word has got no some Devata. Aha is Vishnu, Ihi is Lakshmi, Uhu is Shambhu. Smrtaha, Uhu, Shambhu, Yena Saha. That person is called Smrtoho. Bhagavriki compound. Smrta plus Su, U plus Su becomes Smrto. Okarantaha, Pullingaha, Smrto Shabdaha. So Smrto plus Su. Okay. Here you need to remember one thing. It is O, right? O means Go Shabda, you have to remember. In Go Shabda, recently only we have seen, that Okaranta Shabda. Otaha, Niti,
Nitvat
Nit,
bhava, that was
Nitvat Bhavaha. This is by Vartikam. Goto Nit, that
Actually,
sutra.
Smrito we have done, Sharaji.
Really, huh?
You,
Then
Sudhyo, Smrito and all. Last class only we did.
okay. Sudhyo. Oh, yeah. Sudhyo we did. Then,
Yeah, only I have written Goto Niti and that.
okay.
Yes, Ji, it's there.
Smrta we did, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Oto Nit. By that, what happens? Okay, now just a quick little tell. Nitvat Bhavaha. Therefore, O will become, O is
Vriddhi.
replaced by corresponding with the letter which is Au.
Au.
So, Smrtau. So, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is Smrtau. Therefore, this is wrong. Then here I have to say Smrtau. Not Smrtau, sorry. Smrtaha, Yena Saha, Smrtau. Okay. Yes, Smrtau. Oto Nit. That's Vartikam need to remember. That's Vartikam for Goto Nit. Then Smrto plus Au. So Ayadi Sandhi, which is Nitvat Bhavaha, then Vriddhi. Vriddhi is 72115. Then Ayadi Sandhi. Smrta Vau. Right? O becomes Au by Nitvat Bhavaha followed by the Angakarya 72115. 72115 is Sutra is, what is Sutra? Achongiti. Right? Achongiti, when Nitvartya follows, this Yantasya, Angasya, Vriddhya Adesha Bhavati. O will become Au. Au is Vriddhi letter. Then Ayadi Sandhi. Smrta Vau. That's Smrto plus Jas. When is Nitvat Bhavaha? Sarvanamastane Pratyaya Pare. Right? So therefore, Smrta Vaha. Then, okay, here one note also it is there. Pratamayoga Purvasavarna iti asya sutrasya etasu kriyas prasaktiki nasti. Why? Because it is not ak letter. It is O. Therefore, it doesn't apply here. And another sutra which we had to remember is O, Au, Autau, Auto. Okay, sorry, it's O actually, because of Sandhi it has happened. A plus O. Auto ho, Amshasoho. By that sutra, and Shas. Am is Titiya Bhakti, Ekavacham, Shas is Titiya Bhagavachanam, Ota. Otaha, Okaranta Shabdasya, Akara Adesha Bhavati. This is 6193. Goto Nit, we have seen, Go Shabda, we have seen this. Oto plus Am, Pura Parivastane. All these are in Sandhi section, 6193. Means Sandhi, Samhitaya Madhikaya Vartate, 672. Therefore, you get Smrta plus Am will be, O plus Am will be, Pura Parivastane, Akara Adesha Bhavati. That was the term. So it looks something peculiar, but you have to know. Like a go, Gavu, Gavaha. What is Vidya Vibhakti?
Gam.
Gam. How you get Gam? Same sutra, right? Gam, Gavu, Gaha. Shas, right? There also, Purva Parivastane, Akara Adesha Bhavati. That is why Gaha you get. Here you will get Spirtaha. Understand? So, Spirto plus Shas becomes Smrtaha. Yata Go Shabdaha Tadvat. Because this is Okar, this is Okaranta Shabda, therefore Goto Nit. Nitvatvachyam. Smrito plus ta, same thing. Yes, sorry, here not Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, here just apply Ayadi Sandhi. Gava, ita gava becomes Smritava. Gobhyam, Smritobhyam, Smritobhihi. So then just Ayadi Sandhi. Smrito plus Nge, Smritave, Smritobhyam, Smritobhyaha. Then here O plus Ngasi. What will happen? This is Eng letter followed by Ngasi. Asoho, Purapariavasthane, Pururupaha. Ita Guroho. So you have to remember Guru Shabda. Guru becomes Gyeng iti by that Guna. Then Guru. Guru plus Gasi. Purapariyoho, Pururupaha, Guroho. Right? So for Smritoho. Similarly, 6-1 also Smritoho. Then 6-2 and 7-2 is just Ayadi Sandhi. Smritavoho. Then Smritavan. Smritavi. Ita Gavi. Then Smritoshu. And Sambodhana will be here. It is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Therefore, Goto Nitya. Right? That applies. Unlike Ekaranta Shabda, here this O becomes Au. So once it becomes Au, Visarga will be, it is not Enganta, right? Engar somebody cannot apply. That's why Eng is there. This is Au, outside Eng letter. So therefore Visarga will not go. Smritauhu, Ita Gauhu, Tadvat. Because Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya when it follows, even Sambodhana Su, Nitvat Vachyam. Therefore, Angakarya will happen. It will become Au. Therefore, Smritahu. Smritahu, Smritavav. Same as 1-2. Smritavaha. Okay, this is Smrito Shabda. See, if you had done Smrita, then it must have done Smrite also. That is why I'm just doing this. I don't know. Just check it. Then Smrite also must have done. Then I'm not sure whether I did this.
Smriti and no,
No.
Smriti we have.
We have not done. Huh?
No,
Anyway,
Ritu,
okay.
Sudhyo, Ritu.
Yeah, Sudhya we have done. Okay, anyway. So Smrita also now, if you have done, it's okay. If you're not done also, it's okay.
Next Shabda Sudhyo.
Sudhyo, which we have done. Yeah, Sudhyo.
That's
Last
the
class we
last
did.
one we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Sudhya
the
we
last Shabda.
Yes. Sudhya also you can do same. It is Okaranta Shabda, therefore Nitvat Vachyam. By that you get the Vriddhi, therefore Sudhyohu. Then Ayadi Sandhi. Then Panchami and Shashti Ekavachanam, Nasinga Soscha will apply. Yata Guroho, Tadva Sudhyoho. Other forms are same. Sambodhana, Visarga will remain. These are the points to be noted. Otherwise, same. The next Shabda is Lukaranta Shabda. This is just a letter, okay, doesn't have any meaning. If I know, or I have to check. Lukaranta Shabda. But one thing you have to remember here, Lukara, and what is Savarna to Lukara? Riluvarna Yoga, Mitasavarnyam Achyam, we have seen, right? That is Najalo, Riluvarna Yoga, Mitasavarnyam Achyam. Lukara and Lukara, they are mutually Savarna. Iti Vartikara says that is why Lukara and Lukara has got 30 Savarna letters, right? 18 plus 12, 30. So when we'll see why I'm saying this. When Luvarna in the place of Lukara, Dirga is ardent. Suppose Pura Parayoga Dirga Adeshaha. Then what will happen? What is the Dirga of Lukara? There is no Dirga of Lukara, right? In that case, Rukara will come because Paras Savarna, right? So Rukara will come. That is why this Vartika is important. We'll see that. Now, Lu plus Su. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. What will happen? Then we have seen this Sutra 7194. Remember? Rikaranta Shabda Rit, Vushanas, Purodams. Yeah, Rit means Rikaranta Shabda. What will happen to Rikaranta Shabda? Ananga Adesha. But here Likara is not Rikara. That's why Rilavarna Yoga with a Savarnya Vachya. Right? So Likara Lu will be replaced by An. Here generally what even I did also, then I corrected. Lu will take it as Lakara plus Likar. Don't do that. Likara is a vowel. Otherwise, what will happen? You will do like this. See, this is common mistake we do. So this, then you replace by an. You will get wrong form. This is not lalla lili, lulu. This is the vowel, right? So
Yeah.
Anangadesha comes in the place of lu itself, the vowel itself. Because this is the one lettered Shabda. So Lakara is a vowel. So lu will be replaced by an. Understand?
Nischay.
This mistake we do because the in fact it is not same. Here the font looks similar in this.
Yeah.
The lu vowel not it will be somewhat it will look like this, right? This is different from the consonant vowel combination that lakara, that l, that will be like this. This is l. So they are not same, right? But font it may look same, but you have to be careful here. You understand?
Yes.
Yes,
So therefore here that l is a one letter. So for the anadesha comes in the place of the very letter that is a shabda.
Mm.
Now 1 plus so next step would be, you know it, if I can say easy. It is like Rajan. What will happen?
Nakaralu.
Nakara lopa.
That is later, not now. Before that.
Dirgha.
Exactly. Sarvanamastane cha sambuddho. Yata Rajan become Rajan. Therefore an. Then after that, Alnyabhyadiga suti sapraktamal lopaha bhavati. Then you get an. You can apply now. Nalopaha pratipadika. Therefore, Pratama Bhakti is a. You see, what's the connection? Lu has become a now. So a is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam of Lu. Then Lu plus au. Again, the Mitasavarnyoho Vachim you have to remember. Rulu Varna Yoho. By that, Rutaha Ni Saranamastana Yoho Kimbhavati. Gunaha Bhavati. Right? And Lu will take Guna. Here it is no problem because we have Guna letter Al. You can replace it by Al. Only when it Dirgha comes, we will see. So here, of course, Mitasavarnyam is there because here the sutra says Ritaha only. By Mitasavarnyam, we extend this to Likara also. And the Guna of that is Al. So Al plus Au becomes Alau. So A, Alau. Understand?
Then why to follow Vrinda? I should be.
How you get Lakara then?
Oh,
This is Guna Desha means A only will come. If it is Rep, if Repa will come. If it is Lakara, L, sorry, not Lakara. If it is L, Lakara will come.
okay.
Rikara replaced by An, Repa will be appended. L will be replaced, when it is replaced by An, Lakara will be appended. That is what Uran Raparaha. Okay.
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 Here, Uhu is R, right? By Mitasavarnyavacham, it is extended even to Lakara. So Repa will be Paraha for R. In fact, here this, if you remember, I don't know whether in this class we discussed that. Here the Repa we define it as that's a Pratyahara. By one the commentary they say what are the contents of Ra? Then we have to go to Ayun Riluk basic. You see, what is Ra? Ra is the Pratyahara. Content of Ra is
Repa.
starting from Repa up to here. Ra. So Repa, Takara is Ita letter, then Lakara is there, then that is Ita letter, Anasika. So Ra is equal to Repa and Lakara. These are the contents of the Pratyahara Ra. Understand?
Yes.
It's clear. So
No, Ji, I don't get it.
you don't get it.
Repa
Ra,
is the.
see, Pratyahara is okay. What are the contents of the Pratyahara and IU, right? Similarly, the Pratyahara is Ra. What are the contents here? Start from Ra. Repa is there, right? Then ita letter takara, leave it. Then what is the next letter?
Lu.
Not L, it is La, Lakara.
La.
Na. Which is Anunasika. The Anunasika letter is the last letter which is given as ita letter here. So therefore Lakara only you have to take. So
Okay.
Repa and Lakara are the contents of the Pratyahara Ra. Understand?
Yes.
That's what is. Therefore, Urandrapraha can be taken that Ra has to be the Ra with the Anunasika letter. You can take like that also, Urandrapraha. So if you take like that, then Lakara is included. So therefore, Rikara replaced by An, Repa will be appended. Likara replaced by An, La will be appended. Lakara will be appended. Therefore, Lakara comes. That is why Guna of the Likara is Al. Understand? Is it clear? This is the logic.
Yes.
Therefore, Al, allow, right? So, allow, then Lu plus just, same thing here. Rataha Angi Saranavasthana Yogo, Gunaha Bhavati, Guna is Al. So, here also Unan Raparaha, Ra Paraha. In fact, it is Ra Paraha only. Okay. Therefore, what will happen? Alaha, allow, Alaha. First step is Gunaha. Vitasavarnyoha Vachyam, that is the first thing. Then Gunaha Bhavati. Guna, for that, Lakara will be appended. For that only this Pratyahara is explained. Then after that, Karyas are same. Alaha. Other operations are same. Sasajiswaruku, Karavasani, Ustitaniyaha. Therefore, you will see the Shabda is simple. Only this much you have to understand. Lu plus will become, what will be the form? You tell me. Alam. Right?
Alam. Yeah.
Ratahangi Saranavasthanayohaiti. By this Gunaha Bhavati, then Guna implies the addition of Lakara. Therefore, Al plus Alam. Lu plus out, Alaha, allow.
Alam.
Al plus out. Lu plus Shas, Alaha. Sorry, you should not go like this. It's just pulling up we are doing. Okay. You have to be careful now. Eta Rikara Karta Shabda, Arpitra Shabda. Karta Shabda you take. Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Kartaram, Kartaro. Kartrun. Pura Paryavasthane. Purva Parayogastane.
पूर्ववर्णस्य दीर्घः भवति.
Bhavati and Tasma Chaso Napumsi. Okay. Therefore, Lu plus as Purva Parayogastane. Purva is Dirgha. Now here only, because we said Ridavarnya Vitasavarnya Macham, we have to replace Likara by corresponding Likara and following letter by corresponding long one, which is Rukara. Then Sakara comes. Sakara is Tasma Chaso Napumsi. Lakara. Therefore, the form would be Runa. Yata Karta, Kartaro, Kartara, Kartaram, Kartaro, Kartruna. Tadvat. Same. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
Yes.
So here Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha is applied, right? Why did we apply Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha before? Here. Because Ratahangi Saranavasthanayoga by that sutra, what happens?
Guna.
Guna happens. Then where is Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha? It is no more Akka letter, right? Only when Akka letter is Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha is applicable for Akvarnat Uttarasya, right? Pratamayoga Purva Parayoga. Pratamayoga means Pratama Vivakti, Ditya Vivakti, Parayoga, right? But here it is not. Once guna happens, it is no more occurred. Therefore, doesn't happen. That is how we get pitar pitaro. Understand? Why the pitaro? Why don't we apply there? Because it doesn't happen. Because when Saranamasthana Pratyaya follows, it is no more akanta, it becomes halanta. Understand? In fact, Pratama Vibhakti, you get Annadesha, it is Nakaranta, then that's why you get Upada Dirgatum. Karta. Here, in fact, La, we get on. Understand?
Yes.
So, whereas 2-3, when it comes to 2-3, no Gunadi Karya. So, therefore, Pratham Yoga Purvasavarnaha only to be applied. There is no choice. Rataha Ni Sarvanamastana Yoho, it is only when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows and Satyami Vibhakti Pratyaya follows. But here it is, Shas is not a Sarvanamastana, but it is Pratama Yoho, Ditya Vibhakti, Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Therefore, Pratama Yoho Purvaparaha, Purvaparayo, Pratama Yoho Purvasavarnaha Dirgha will happen. So by that sutra, both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by the Purva Savarna Dirgha. Here Dirgha not there for L, but Likara and Rikara, they are mutually Savarna. Therefore, Likara will be replaced by corresponding Savarna Dirgha. In fact, Adesha is Savarna Dirgha. Savarna to Likara is Rikara, and its Dirgha form is Rikara. So that will come. So Rikara will be the Adesha. And since we are doing Pullinga, Strilinga is different. Since we are doing Pullinga, so Sakara also will be replaced by Nakara. Tasma Chaso Nafumsi. Therefore, Run will be the Rupam. Understand?
So here we can write one more step no, before this rules. First Rukara, and that by the Mita Savarana Yoho, that Vachyam is there, no? Because this Pratamayo Puru Savarna, by this only this Rukara will come, Dirgha. So before this one step we can write, no? Instead, in the place of Rukara.
Here you can apply the Vartikam.
That Vartikam.
Here you can write Vartikam, and that's why in the beginning itself I mentioned Pratamayoho Purva Savarnaha, this Vartikam is important. In the beginning itself I write, I will write here also, this Vartikam is important. Vartika to be applied where is for the Vartikam. To be applied where required. Okay, just write it. Where required means whenever this Savarnatvam comes, then we have to apply. And Savarnatvam, and that to Dirgha Adesha, Savarna Dirgha, then you have to apply because Lukara doesn't have long form, right? So therefore, there we have to apply this Vartika and get the long form of Lu, which is Ru. Therefore, Rukara. Okay, then next one. Lu plus Ta will be
Yes.
Lu plus Ta.
Al only will come here. Al plus Allah.
Al. How we get Al?
Ina comes.
What is it?
Ina.
Tanga Singa Saminatsya Hayatan.
Ina for
It's Adantanga.
it is for Akara. Ramena, Palena. So not for this, right? Therefore, what could be the Rupam? Lu plus A. It is just to do the Ayadi Sandhi. La only. Lu is what? N letter, right? Followed by H. So this will be replaced by Lakara, then La. Did you think of this? Just Yanadeshaha. That's why this Shabda, you have to write it. Please, even if you know, after you learn this, still you try to derive by yourself. This is simple thing that we miss. This is N letter. N followed by Ajani. No other sutra apply. You cannot apply Ina. Ina is only for Adantanga. So Ramena or Sarvanama Shabda. Here it is not. Therefore, Ta will remain. But N Sandhi, don't forget. L cannot become Al. Al will become only when it becomes Guna. Guna, there's no Guna happening here. So then what will happen?
Yes, sir.
N Sandhi only. What happens in Pitra plus A? Pitra. What's Sandhi there? N Sandhi. Same thing. Compare with the Rikara and the Shabda. That we did Pitra, N Sandhi, right? Same thing here also. Then L plus Byam, Libhyam, Libiki. Then L plus Nye. What's Sandhi? Same.
Yes.
Ta, Pitre. Becomes Le. Libhyam, Libhyaha. Then L plus Nasi. Here you can see Nasi. This L is Ayuman Riluk. Therefore it is Akvarna, right? Followed by Nasing Asoho. What will happen? Nasing Asoho. Purva Pariyogastane.
पूर्वरूपः एकादेशः
Purva Pariyogastane. Ritaha Vutta by that sutra. See, Ritaha Vutta Sutram. Ritaha Vutta for which the Nasing Asoho coming as Anuvrutti. So Rivarnanta, Eta Pituhu. Pituhu, what happens? It is Pitru Shabda, R plus Nasing Asoho, R plus A will be, both will be replaced by U. Ritaha is Panchami. Ritaha Uttarasya Nasing Asoho, Parayoho, right? Pura Parayostane, Ut Adesha Bhavati, right?
Yes.
R plus that Nasing Asoho, that Akara. So Akara of Nasingas, then that Rikara, which is the preceding letter, both will be replaced by Ukara. Same thing here. Here Mitasavarnyam Achyam by that. So L plus A of, okay. I can write one more step if you want. That is, this is L, then As. So L is like R plus A, Pura Parayoho. Tane Ukara Adesha Bhavati. Ukara comes. By Urandra Paraha, what will happen? Repa, here Lakara will be appended. Therefore, Ul. Ul plus the Sakara is there. Now, after that, what will happen?
Ratsasya.
Huh?
No, here
Ratsasya can you apply? Ratsasya applicable for
only
Repat
Sanyoga.
Uttarasya Takarasya, right? Here, where is Repa? There is no Savarnim for Repa and Lakara. Okay. In fact, Repa doesn't have any Savarna letter. Right? Therefore, which one will apply? Yeah, what is saying, Parvatiji?
No, here Sanyoga is not there. So Ratsasya.
Why not there? Sanyoga, Lakara and Sakara there?
Okay.
Ratsasya will apply or not? Ganeshi, will it apply now? Ratsasya is Repad Uttarasya, Sakarasya Lopaha. But here not Repa.
There's no repa.
Therefore, don't forget Sanyoga Lopaha. That is a Uttarga Sutra, right? Sanyogantasya. Now this is a Padam or not? Padam. Suptingantam Padam. Therefore, Sanyogantasya Lopaha Bhavati. Ratsasya is wrong. Okay. I written wrongly. Ratsasya, how can we apply? So it is Sanyogantasya. Sanyogantasya Lopaha. 8-23 will apply. Right? Ul, that's a form. Okay, this I think I have to correct it for 6-1 also. It's a mistake. Libhyam, then Libhyaha, then here also. It's not Ratsasya. It is Sanyogantasya Lopaha. Ul. Then L plus Os, Ayadi Sandhi. You get Aloho. Sorry, you get L plus O. Not Aloho, sorry. You get Loho, yeah. Because this is replaced by Lakara. The Loho, not Aloho. Then L plus Am, Lam. No. Yeah, this is Rasvana Dyapo Nut. Rasvaha and am is there. Therefore, nakara comes. The nami pare. Because nami comes, now you see the application of nami. Nami pare, this will become dirgha. What is dirgha of this? There we have to apply ridu. Varnayo samita savanyam vachyam. By that, rikara will be replaced by corresponding rikara. Therefore, ru. Then nattam, ru nam. That's why you get ru nam. The shabda is interesting. So this, wherever this comes, the dirgha and other things, you have to note this. This is Rasvanadhya Ponut applies.
So because of
it is.
this thing in Rasvanadhya Ponut, Rasva is there, therefore this
Therefore, Nutagama, yes, therefore, not right? Pitranam. In fact, it's like, if you remember Pitra, go by Pitra Shabda.
Okay.
I mean, Rikaranta Shabda. Then L plus Ni, Ayari Sandhi. No. Here also, Ni is there. Rataha, Ni Saranavasthana Yoho, that apply. By that becomes Gunadesha, then you get Ali. The beginning itself we said, Rataha, Ni Saranavasthana Yoho, when Ni Pratyaya follows, Gunadesha happens. So this, therefore, when Saranavasthana Pratyaya follows and Samatami Bhakti Pratyaya follows, you have to be alert. Don't do Ala Ajadi Pratyaya only, but don't do the Yensandhi. Yensandhi you do for other than this. Starting from Shas, and 3-1, 4-1, 5-1, of course. Ritaha Uttu will apply 5-1, 6-1.
Yeah.
And 7-1, this applies. Then Lu plus O. Anyway, the Shabda, if you know, because next Shabda also we are going to do similar to it. Lu plus O's. Ayari Sandhi, Loho. Lu plus Su. You can do Lushu. Here also, you can see that this is a part of in letter. Therefore, in Koho Adesha Pratyaya will apply Lushu. Sambodhana, Lu plus Su. Sambodhana would be Pita. Pitaha. Vitra Shabda. Lu plus Su. What will happen to Su? Su becomes Ritaha in Saranavasthana, same thing. That's why it's a Pitaha. Ritaha, what Pitaha, Pitra become Pitar. Pitar plus Su. Then Raksasya we apply there. Right? Therefore you get Pitaha, Pitaha. Similarly, here Guna happens. Sayogantasya lopa. No. Here you can do Algiyabhya itself. Yeah. Sayogantasya lopa after Sapala Saptadhya you can do. Okay. In fact, all this I did myself. It is not given. So otherwise, I would have. I mean, what is it? If
For
yeah, the Sayoga is immediately comes to my mind, but we have to be careful. Okay. I did and corrected, in fact. Aprakta pratyaya, therefore you have to apply this. Yeah, this is generally we do this mistake. I always immediately Sayoga comes to our mind, no? But that is in Sapada, that's Tripadi. Sapada Saptadhya, the sutra is therefore this should be applied. Though you get the same form, but you apply 6168. So Al. Pratama Bhakti is A. This is Al. Then L plus Au. Again, Saranavasthana Pratyaya follows. Therefore, same as this, Alau. Then L plus Jas. Al plus As becomes Alaha. So this is the Rupa. Okay. And some more Shabdas, not some more, many Shabdas are there. You can see, we are in page number 222. 266 pages. I mean, I have done Shabda, a lot of Shabdas I have done. Gamle. Don't see this Gamle, we will see it in the class. Some extra things will come. The Shabda, I was trying to, Shabda form I know. The Shabda form, applying the Sutra, I tried to derive all this. So I did some homework. It takes some time. So a lot of Shabdas I have done. You can see the index, I will show you what all the Shabdas. We will do in the next class to Shabdas. So with the Lu Shabda, we will stop. You remember Lu Shabda? So we will start from Gamlu. Gamlu is there, then Shaklu, then Rikaranta, just Rikaranta Shabda, then Rikaranta Shabda, it is Rikaranta. That is easy, Rikaranta. Then Ikaranta Shabda, Ati Stri, Pullinga, Shrilinga, Napumsakalinga. So we saw Priyatri, right? Priyatri also, I'll try to add it here, which we, other forms I did not do. Maybe I have to try, I'll try it and do it, include here. So Ati Stri also is interesting. So it is little difficult, but interesting Shabda, Ati Stri. That is a compound. Tugati Pradayaha, Atikkarantaha Striyam. By that you get the form Ati Stri. Can be declared in all the genders. So that also completed. I think with this Ajanta done. But Pullinga, sorry, Napumsakalinga, we know, but we have not done. So Napumsakalinga Shabda, under Samanya Shabda, we will do that Pala Shabda, Avari Shabda, though we have done for the sake of completion. Because in the Samanya Shabda, I have not added the Napumsakalinga Shabda. And you will see the application of the Napumsakalinga rules in this year. So therefore, we need to see Napumsakalinga also. Okay, that we will see next class. Napumsakalinga, we know the Napumsakasya Chalachaha, Ikoachi Bhakto, the sutras apply, by which you get Numakama. So Palam becomes Palam Pale Palani, Tarvanamastana Prataya Pare. You will see Napumsakalinga also. So this Shabda will go on for some time. After that, special Halanta Shabdas are done, then Sarvanama Shabda. The entire Suganta would be complete. Okay. One more Shabda is there. I was trying to find out the form how it comes. I'm not able to get. I was trying to bring some homework. That Ikshvaka Shabda, Akaranta, which is given the Shabda Manjari. I don't know how it gets Ikshvaka. Ikshvaka is a Shabda. But the form
Tadita form means.
Tadita, but I was trying to, I'm not getting it. I had to do some homework on that. I was trying how it becomes Shabda is Ikshvaka, I think. And the form of that Shabda in one Vivakti is Ikshva. I'll try. Okay. That is the only Shabda I think I have to do it. Otherwise, all the Shabdas I have done. Vishesha Shabda.
Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here. I'll send you these notes. Please go through this. Any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay.
Okay.
Please send Omkara derivation of Om.
I'll send you that. I also, yes, I do it. I taught you once that one.
Yes, that two O's are there. So we have to change it to a single O, no? So that also.
Single. The double O also, I think somewhere I saw, I think. Anyway, the Sutra says Ekadesha. So therefore both can be replaced by one. Yeah, okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
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 ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.